Robert Robertson was convicted in 2003 for the murder of his 2-year-old daughter. It's a ruling his attorney says was based on science that has since been debunked. Now, to this day, Robertson, his attorney, and hundreds of others have maintained his innocence. KETK's Annabelle Tuggle was in Huntsville back in October when Robertson was first set to be executed. Now, tonight, she's here to recap what has led up to a potential second execution date and how Robertson's legal team is preparing for tomorrow's hearing. Annabelle, what can you tell us about this ongoing saga?
Isaac, this case has been on hold since the execution was stayed in October. But now the Attorney General's office has filed a request, which Robertson's attorney says is unheard of.
I'm enraged, I'm heartbroken, but we are not giving up this fight.
You get your hopes up and then you get your hopes down, you get your hopes up.
It's a battle that's lasted more than 2 decades.
We have got to get people listening and making changes for people like Robert.
It's especially egregious when there's so much doubt about the guilt of the person involved.
And it's all led up to here, a court hearing happening in Anderson County Wednesday morning.
I was just there last week trying to give him hope that things were on the right track, and then this happens.
Robert Robertson's life was saved in October of last year after a bipartisan team of lawmakers fought for a last-hour Texas Supreme Court ruling halting his execution.
He thanked his supporters, he praised God, he claimed his innocence.
But on October 16th of this year, 1 year after that life-saving Hail Mary, Robert Robertson could be facing execution once again.
This seems to me more to be about some other thing other than getting at the truth. It seems to be about political theater.
The request, filed by the Attorney General's office, is one Robertson's attorney Gretchen Sween says makes little legal or moral sense.
I am unaware of any death penalty case where the Attorney General has stepped in and then turned around and immediately sought an execution date.
Saying under state law, a judge should not be entertaining that request when there's this kind of appeal pending.
It's at the very least premature, but I think profoundly improper.
Judge Austin Reeve Jackson, who's been assigned to the case, has requested Robert Robertson be present Wednesday morning at the Anderson County Courthouse, where Sween hopes he's given a chance. But what happens next is a question mark.
One hopes that there will be a court proceeding and the rule of law will prevail.
As the AG's office, lawmakers, and those interested in this case anxiously wait for a decision from the judge, Sween says she wants to emphasize what's at stake here is the truth.